Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then act immediately. First, confirm who owns the recording and the exact meeting date. That narrows the search. Once done, sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with tenant admin credentials and open Exchange Online and SharePoint admin views. Make sure audit logging and retention settings are visible. Then open an authenticated PowerShell session. This lets you run the recovery commands that follow. You need these rights. Without them, you cannot continue. Now you proceed with targeted recovery actions. Use Exchange Online PowerShell or Compliance Search to trace any meeting invite attachments or Teams messages that reference the recording. Export results as CSV. Then query SharePoint or the user's OneDrive recycle bin. Use getPNP recycle bin item or Microsoft Graph to enumerate deleted file versions and document ID. If the tenant used Stream Classic, run the Stream admin export to list videos. Once you locate the file ID, prepare the restore command. You will need the exact. Finally, perform the restore and confirm access. Use restore PNP recycle bin item or call the Microsoft Graph REST restore endpoint to move the item back to its original location. Then relink the recording to the team's chat or meeting and validate playback for participants. Make sure to reapply sharing and permission settings. If the file isn't found, check for retention holds, legal hold, or e-discovery preserves. These can block normal restores. If those checks fail, open a Microsoft support ticket and provide audit logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.